Valerie Zamora made her first court appearance in Clay County Court in Moorhead today. She's charged with second-degree murder without intent while committing a felony. That's in connection to the death of her baby boy. She's scheduled to make her next court appearance on June 12th. Bail was set today at $1 million with conditions. We have more details from the statement of probable cause. We'll read that with the names of witnesses and or detectives omitted. Quote, on May 15th, 2025 at approximately 11:23 p.m., police received a call from the Cass County coroner that a 20-month-old child had died at Sanford Medical Center and the child had bruising. Law enforcement was advised the child had been brought to the ER by his mother, Valerie Zamora. The law enforcement was advised the family lived in Moorhead. Officer was dispatched to the hospital and located the victim in a trauma room. Family members were located in a nearby room. Although on the scene initially, when the officer arrived, DEP at some point left the hospital in a vehicle, leaving the defendant Zamora behind. Officers later located DEP, returning to the couple's residence at 1106 18.5 Street South in Moorhead. Detectives were assigned to investigate the death. Upon arrival, a detective viewed the victim's body and noticed various bruising all over the victim, and the victim's belly was distended. Detective had contact with Zamora, who advised that she is the mother of the child, as well as two other children who live in her residence with herself and DEP. Zamora stated that on the morning of May 15th, the victim woke up and was vomiting, and that she gave him some Tylenol and Gatorade and then did some errands with the victim and DEP. Zamora stated the victim basically slept all day. Zamora stated that she told DEP that they should take the victim in, meaning to a doctor, but they first drove to a Walmart in Dilworth to get some Pedialyte. Zamora stated that when she went into Walmart, she left DEP in the vehicle with the victim. While in the store, DEP came into the store and told her the victim was vomiting blood. Zamora stated they then sped to the hospital and stated she was aware of bruising on the body of the victim, but that he bruises easily and he doesn't let anyone out around the victim. When asked more questions, Zamora's story began to change as to how sick the victim was leading up to the arrival at the hospital. Zamora stated that when the victim started vomiting the day before, the vomit was normal. However, over time that changed and the victim was vomiting a black or dark substance and they couldn't keep any liquids down. Zamora stated a few times during the day she mentioned to DEP that they should take the victim in, but that she did not seek any medical care until leaving the Walmart in Dilworth. Detectives and officers spoke with several neighbors, friends, and the defendant's other two children. Witnesses say they saw the victim at various times during the day and told the defendant she needed to take the victim to the hospital, and later in the evening told her to call an ambulance. One witness stated when she got home from school around 4:35 p.m., she immediately noticed the victim needed medical care and asked Zamora to take the victim to the hospital. An autopsy was performed on the victim, and the provisional report indicated the cause of death as complications from blunt force injuries due to assault and the manner of death as homicide, noting a number of contusions to the abdomen, head, face, jaw, neck, chest, arms, back, legs. The report also noted a perforated bowel and hemorrhages to the liver and pancreas. Also found during the autopsy was healing rib fractures. Again, Valerie Zamora makes her first court appearance, now charged with second-degree murder in the death of her baby. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.